Hi, my name is Dr. Amadasun. I'm an ENT surgeon based in Abuja. And today I'd like to talk of something called the hearing aid. This is just one example of what a hearing aid could look like. So now, what are hearing aids? Let's use an example we're all much more conversant with, which are glasses. You know, if you can't see well and they give you glasses, they make your vision clearer and you can see. The same thing happens with hearing aids. In some type of hearing loss, you cannot give any drugs that will improve it. You can't do any operations that will improve the hearing. So you have to wear something that makes sound louder so that you can now pick it up. And that's called a hearing aid. So it aids your hearing. It doesn't treat anything. It aids your hearing. It just makes sound louder. Okay? Because hearing loss can come from different causes, and these causes are not always amenable to treatment. Quite a number of them are actually not amenable to any form of treatment, and a hearing aid is the only thing, or one of the only things, that can make you hear better. Now, this I'm holding in my hand is called a behind the ear hearing aid, in that it has a portion that when the person wears it goes behind the ear, and another portion that goes into the ear, behind the ear hearing aid. But there are other kind of hearing aids. We have in the ear, in the canal. We have body-worn hearing aids which look like a Walkman. I'm not sure everybody here will remember what a Walkman looks like, but it's a little box with a little string that goes into the ear. They also have more sophisticated things called bone-anchored hearing aids, where we actually drill a hole into the bone behind the ear and put an attachment so that it stimulates the ear, collects sound, stimulates the ear. Now, there's something called the cochlear implant, which is not a hearing aid, but it also aids hearing, and that's for very severe forms of hearing loss. So if you cannot hear well, you've seen your ENT surgeon, you've seen your ENT doctor, and they've done all the tests, and they say that you need a hearing aid, it just means that no drugs are going to help you. No operation available at that time is going to help you. You just need this to hear better. It will not cure you. It will help you hear better. Have a good day.